Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I was discussing numericals based on equivalent weight or some questions, theoretical questions also. Okay, today I am going to discuss. Maximum question will be numericals. Then now question number 85 I am going to discuss. Question I am now telling you. The chlorides of a metal M contains 65.5% of the chlorine. 100 ml of the vapor of the chloride of the metal at STP weigh 0.72 gram. The molecular formula of the metal chloride is: first option MCl, second option MCl2, third option MCl3, fourth option MCl4. Then now again I am reading the question. The chloride of a metal M contains 65.5% of chlorine. 100 ml of the vapors of the chloride of the metal at STP weighs 0.72 gram. The molecular formula of the metal chloride is: option 1 MCl, option 2 MCl2, option 3 MCl3, option 4 MCl4. Now question is, just you think what will be the answer. It is not very difficult. Okay, it will take less than 1 minute time just to think before answering. Its correct option is MCl3. Its correct answer is MCl3, means option C. Now what is the explanation for that? Then now just you listen. Here you have to see that molecular weight of MClX. You have to calculate actually value of X, MClX. Then it is given that 100 ml weight of 100 ml vapor chloride, metal chloride vapor is 0.72. Then 100 ml weight is 0.72. Then for 1 ml, then for 22,400 ml. Then this will be, after solving, you will get 161.3. 161.3. This is actually molecular weight of MClX. You have to find out X value. Then now equivalent weight of metal is equal to what? Then equivalent weight of metal is equal to 100, according to the question, 100 minus 65.5 divided by 65.5 into 35.5, means that after solving you will get 18.7. Equivalent weight of metal is equal to 18.7. Correct? Why you have done like this? 65.5%. 65.5% chlorine is there out of 100, means 100 minus 65.5. Correct? Then in that total, if you will consider 100 ml, then here is 65.5% chlorine is there. It means out of 100, 65.5% is chlorine. Then you can calculate the molecular mass 65.5 is present in 100 ml. Then 1 will be present in how much? That you can calculate. Then in 35.5. Okay, like that way you can calculate the molecular weight. Then this 100 ml weight they have given 0.72 gram for 100 ml. Then for this for 100 ml weight is 0.72. Then for 22,400 ml, its weight will become 161.3. Then equivalent weight of metal will be what? 100 minus 65.5 divided by 65.5 into 35.5. Correct? Because what is the weight for 35.5? That you have to calculate. Then it will become, after solving, it will become 18.7. Then now molecular weight of MClX, you know, atomic weight of metal plus X into 35.5. Then molecular weight of MClX already you have calculated molecular weight. Correct? Then atomic weight of M means metal plus X into 35.5. That is the molecular weight of MClX. Then atomic weight of metal, how will calculate? Then equivalent weight into X. Equivalent weight into X. That is the atomic weight of M. And this X into 35.5. Then actually direct formula is also there. Molecular weight of MClX is equal to X E plus 35.5. This is a direct formula. Only this will come like this way also. Atomic weight of M plus X into 35.5. Then atomic weight of M is equal to equivalent weight into X. That is also atomic weight. And after that plus X into 35.5 means X is the common, in bracket E plus 35.5. Then now already your molecular weight of MClX you have calculated 161.3. Then X into in bracket X into inside bracket E plus 35.5, that is equal to 161.3. Hence X is equal to, easily you can calculate 161.3 divided by E plus 35.5. Then now all things you are knowing equivalent weight. Already equivalent of metal you calculated 18.7. Then 161.3 divided by 18.7 plus 35.5. Correct? X into in bracket E plus 35.5, that is equal to 161. Then X is equal to 161.3 divided by E plus 35.5. But here E is equal to 18.7. And so after putting this value, you will get a result approximately 2.97. 2.97, roughly 3, 2.97, roughly 3. Hence this formula will be MCl 3, x is equal to, here you have calculated 3, correct? Then correct answer is option C, MCl 3. Next question I am reading. The equivalent weight of metal is 4.5. Equivalent weight of the metal is 4.5 and the molecular weight of the chloride is 80. The atomic weight of the metal is how much? Very easy. Now easily you can calculate it. Think. Okay, direct answer you can't give, you think. Again question I am reading, that equivalent weight of the metal is 4.5 and the molecular weight of its chloride is 80. The atomic weight of the metal is, first option is 18, second option is 9, third option is 4.5, fourth option is 36. Then now think and answer it is. You can give it within 1 minute. You can answer it. Okay. Now solve it. Its correct answer is 9. Option B. How? Now I am telling you. You are knowing actually. If you think, you yourself can calculate it. But now I am telling you. Now just you see the question. Molecular weight of, just now I told you before this question, same concept. Molecular weight of MClX. They have given 80, that is equal to 80. Then MClX means x into in bracket E plus 35.5. Now equivalent weight is already given 4.5. Then what is the problem? No problem. Means x formula is there, x outside in bracket E plus 35.5, that is equal to 80, and E is given 4.5. And after solving, means 35.5 plus 4.5, you will get 40. Then 40, x is equal to 80. Then x is equal to how much? Easily 40x is equal to 80. Then x is equal to 2. Then now atomic weight is equal to, atomic weight into valency. Atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. Atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. Then now equivalent weight is 4.5 already given. Valency you have calculated 2. Hence 4.5 into 2, that is 9 gram. Not gram, you can tell 9 gram. 4 into 5 into 2, that is the 9. Okay. Hence correct answer is option B, 9. Now next question, next numericals. The sulfate of an element. The sulfate of an element contains 42.2% element. 42.2% element. The equivalent weight would be, first option 17, second option 35.0, third option 51.0, fourth option 68.0. You can solve it. Actually keep pen and paper with you. Then you can solve it easily. All will take time less than 1 minute. Again the question I am reading. The sulfate of an element contains 42.2% element. The equivalent weight would be, equivalent weight you have to calculate. First option is 17, second option is 35, fourth option is 51, third option is 51, fourth option is 68. Again I am telling you, first option is 17, second option is 35, third option is 51, fourth option is 68. Okay, you can solve it very easily. Now think and answer. It will take less than 1 minute time. Its correct option is 35. Its correct answer is 35. That is the option B. Option B. That is the correct. How? That is also easily you can solve it. Now read the question. Again I am telling you that sulfate of an element contains 42.2% element. This you remember, 42.2%. Then now you can calculate weight of metal sulfate divided by weight of metal. That is equal to weight of metal sulfate in what? Equivalent weight of M. Equivalent weight of M plus equivalent weight of sulfate divided by equivalent weight of metal. Already this formula I have discussed. Weight of metal sulfate divided by weight of metal is equal to equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of sulfate divided by equivalent weight of M, means metal. Now simply you put the value. Then because weight of metal sulfate, that is total weight of metal sulfate is 100. Element they have written. That is a total. That is the 100 you can consider, because 42.2% is element, means metal. Then weight of metal sulfate you have considered 100. Then 100 divided by 42.2. That is the weight of metal. That is equal to equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of sulfate. Then E you consider. E means equivalent weight. Then E plus 48. Equivalent weight of sulfate is SO4. 2 minus is there. Then SO4 32 plus sulfate 16 into 4. Then 64 plus 32 divided by 2, because 2 negative charge is there. It will become 48. Sulfate ion you can calculate. S is equal to 32. SO4, 4 into 16, 64. 64 plus 32, 96. 96 divided by 2, 48. Then E plus 48. Down is equivalent weight of metal, means E. Then upside also E is there, down also E is there. Then now 100 divided by 42.2 is equal to E plus 48 divided by E. You can calculate the value of E. On simplification, quickly you can solve it. Its value will come E is equal to 35.5. Okay. Hence correct answer is option B, 35. Next question, next numericals I am telling you. The equivalent weight of an element is 4. The equivalent weight of an element is 4. Its chloride has vapor density 59.25. 59.25 vapor density. Then the valency of the metal is, first option is given 4, second option is 3, third option is 2, and fourth option is 1. Again I am reading one more time question. The equivalent weight of an element is 4. its chloride has a vapor density 59.25. Then the valency of the element is, first option is 4, second option is 3, third option is 2, fourth option is 1. Quickly you can answer. Think and then you can answer. Its correct option is B, means 3. How its value will be 3? Then now just to question you have to read. Vapor density is 59.25 and equivalent weight of element is 4. Then now you can solve it very easily. Okay, molecular weight, again what I discussed the same way. Molecular weight of MCLX, that is equal to, molecular weight formula is there, valency MCLX, that MCLX means molecular weight of MCLX, that is 2 into 59.25. 2 into 59.25, that is the 118. After multiplying 2 into 59.5, its value will become how much? 118. Correct? Here equivalent weight of the element is 4. Correct? And vapor density, its chloride has vapor density 59.25 and equivalent weight of an element is 4. Then now just to think, quickly you can answer that. How will answer? Then 2 into 59.25, that is equal to 118.5. Then X is equal to, formula you know, molecular weight divided by E plus 35.5. Then molecular weight you have calculated 118.5 divided by equivalent weight in question is, it is given 4. Then 4 plus 35.5 means X is equal to molecular weight divided by E plus 35.5. This is the formula. Then that is equal to, now put the value, molecular weight you have calculated 118.5 divided by equivalent mass is given 4 plus 35.5. After solving you will get X is equal to 3. Hence correct option is B, 3. Okay, this is very easy. It was very easy. Now here one thing here, just this equivalent weight of element was given 4. You have used in formula. Correct? And vapor density is given. Vapor density is given, that is the 59.25. Then formula you know, then 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular weight. That's why you have multiplied by 2. You should remember the formula. 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular weight. Then 2 into 59.25. Correct? Then molecular weight you are knowing. Then molecular weight divided by E plus 35.5. E is equal to 4. Hence, you will get the X value, valency, then its valency will be 3. Next question I am telling you. Question number 89. 88 I told you, 89. The oxide of an element possesses the formula M2O3 if the equivalent weight of the metal is 9, then the atomic weight of the metal will be option first 9, option second 18, option third 27, and option fourth none of these. Again I am reading the question second time. You listen. The oxides of an element possesses the formula M2O3 if the equivalent weight of the metal is 9, then the atomic weight of the metal will be, first option is A 9, B 18, third option C, that is 27, fourth option is none of these. This also you can solve it. Always you remember the formula. Easily you can solve it. Then now this is also easy. Within 1 minute you can solve. If formula you are knowing, then its correct option is 27. 27. How 27? Then now question you have to see. Oxide of an element possesses the formula M2O3, means metal valency is 3, M2O3. Then it is a cross, metal valency is 3, oxygen valency is 2. You know cross. Then metal valency you are knowing. When metal valency you are knowing, then what is the problem? When metal valency you are knowing, then no problem. According to the formula M2O3, valency of metal is equal to 3. Hence atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. Equivalent weight into valency. Then here 9 into 3. Equivalent weight is 9. Valency you are knowing 3. Then 9 into 3, 27. 27. Then easily you have calculated. Only just common sense you have to apply, and formula you should know. Then on option C, third option is correct, 27. Next question I am telling you that this approximate atomic weight of an element is 29.89. Approximate atomic weight of an element is 29.89. If its equivalent weight is 8.9, the exact atomic weight is how much? You have to calculate. It is easy. Easy means if you are knowing, then all things are easy. You just think. Again, first option is 26.89, second option is 8.9, third option is 17.8, and fourth option is 26.7. 26.7. Now just you calculate. Again I am telling you formula you know. Approximate atomic weight. Approximate atomic weight. Actually Dulong and Petit's law, that formula you have to apply here. Okay. Means approximate atomic weight into a specific heat is equal to 6.4. That formula you have to use. Here atomic weight, equivalent weight is given 8.9. Then exact atomic weight you have to calculate. And now just to think over. Then it's a correct option correct option is 26.7, means last option D, 26.7. How? Now I am telling you, but you should also think. Okay. Here valency is equal to, you know that atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. Correct? Approximate atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. Then approximate weight, atomic weight is given 26.89, and equivalent weight is also given 8.9. Then approximately valency will be 3. Correct? Approximately valency will be 3. 26.89 divided by 8.9. It will come approximately 3. Hence atomic weight is equal to, formula you know, valency into equivalent weight. Valency into equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight. Hence 8.9 into 3. 8.9 into 3, that is the 26.7. Correct? Hence correct answer is 26.7, means option D. Now next question I am telling you. 0.534 gram magnesium displaces 1.415 gram copper from the salt solution of copper. Equivalent weight of magnesium is 12. The equivalent weight of copper would be, first option 15.9, second option 47.7, third option 31.8, fourth option 8.0. Again one more time question I am reading. 0.534 gram magnesium displaces 1.415 gram of copper from the salt solution of copper. Equivalent weight of magnesium is 12. Then equivalent weight of copper would be, first option 15.9, second option 47.7, third option 31.8, fourth option 8. So it is actually question number 91. Then now you can solve it again easily. You should remember the formula. Then now here its correct option is C, 31.8. How? Then now I will explain it, but you recall the formula. Okay, you should remember the formula, then all things will be easy. Then now already I have discussed weight of weight of magnesium divided by weight of copper, that is equal to equivalent weight of magnesium divided by equivalent weight of copper. This formula don't forget, very very useful. Okay, weight of two elements are there. The first element, weight of first element, then here magnesium divided by weight of copper, weight of second, weight of first element divided by weight of second metal, weight of first metal divided by weight of second metal, that is equal to equivalent weight of first metal divided by equivalent weight of second metal. Means weight of magnesium divided by weight of copper, that is equal to equivalent weight of magnesium divided by equivalent weight of copper. Then here weight is given, magnesium and copper weight. Magnesium weight is 0.534 and weight of copper is 1.415. Then that is equal to, means 0.534 divided by 1.415, that is equal to weight of magnesium, equivalent weight of magnesium is given 12. Then 12 divided by E. E suppose E is the equivalent weight of copper. Then by cross multiplication, value of E you can calculate. Correct? 0.534 divided by 1415, that is equal to 12 upon E. Then E is equal to, after solving, you will get 31.8. You keep pen and paper with you, then it will be easy. Okay. Then now its correct answer is 31.8. 31.8, option C. Now next question I am telling you. Question number 92. In m1 gram of a metal A, in m1 gram of a metal A, in not if question mistake is there. If m1 gram of a metal A displaces m2 gram of another metal B from its salt solution, if the equivalent weight are E1 and E2 respectively, then the equivalent weight of A can be expressed by, four options are there. First option, E is equal to m1 divided by m2 into E2, upside E2. Second option, that is the E1 is equal to m2 into E2 divided by m1. Third option is E1 is equal to m1 into m2 divided by E2. Fourth option is E1 is equal to under root m1 divided by m2 into E2. It is a direct question. Only you have to, what I have discussed now, same concept is there. Same concept. Cross multiplication you have to do. What you have calculated, E value for the previous question, same you can say concept is there. And say, just to try, you will get direct answer you will get. Okay. It's correct option is this first option. First option, that is the E1 is equal to, you have to calculate E1 according to the question. E1 is equal to m1 divided by m2 into E2. You know already, you know that formula I told you. Element 1 divided weight of element 1 divided by weight of element 2, that is equal to equivalent weight of element 1 divided by equivalent weight of element 2. Means E2 you have to m1 divided by m2, that is equal to E1 upon E2. Then E1 you have to calculate. Then by cross multiplication, option A will come. Okay, same formula. Same formula what I have discussed, same way. Weight of first metal divided by weight of second metal, and after that equivalent weight of metal 1, equivalent weight of metal 2. Equivalent weight of metal 1 means E1 you want to calculate. Do the cross multiplication. You will get E1 is equal to m1 divided by m2 into E2. Correct? Direct. Option A is the correct. Next question is question number 93. The equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium is, actually KMnO4 atomic weight of potassium is 39 and manganese atomic weight is 55. Without that you can't solve this question. Okay, remember it. That atomic weight of potassium is 39 and atomic weight of manganese is 55. You have to remember, because this type of question is always asked. Then now question I am reading you, and it is given in question also. Atomic weight of potassium 39 and atomic weight of manganese is 55. Then now question I am reading, the equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium is option 1 158, option 2 15.8, option C 31.6, option D 3.16. Again option I am telling you. First option is 158. Second option is 15.8. Third option is 31.6. Fourth option is 3.16. You have to tell the equivalent weight of KMnO4. It is now already told you atomic weight of potassium is 39 and manganese is 55. Now you can solve it. It will take hardly 1 minute. Hardly 1 minute. Okay. Its correct option is 31.6. How? Now I am telling you. Actually, you should remember the reaction also. And here, during the reaction, how many electron exchanged, that you have to remember. How many electron has taken part in the reaction, exchange of the electron. Then you know that first you have to calculate the KMnO4 these things molecular formula. Then K is equal to 39 and MnO4. Mn is 35.55 and O4 means 4 into 16, 64. Then this after adding you will get the molecular weight of KMnO4. Then now first for this you have to write the reaction, balanced reaction. Means 2 KMnO4 plus 3 H2SO4. You will get K2SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 plus 3 H2O plus 5O. 5O. Actually this reaction is very important reaction. 5O will come after the balancing and the end you will get 5O, O means nascent oxygen. Then 5O means 5 into 16, 80 parts. 80 parts. Then for 8 part you have to calculate. Then 2 KMnO4 means 2 into molecular mass of KMnO4. Correct? Then that you calculate 39 plus 50 plus 55 plus 64 and multiply by 2, it will come total 316. Then 80 parts. 80 parts means oxygen. 80 part of oxygen, 5 into 16. That will react with 316. Then for 8 part, how much? For the 8 part, it will become 316 divided by 80. This will come, value will come 31.6 parts of KMnO4. Hence answer is 31.6. And also you will write by this ionic reaction, if you will write or electronic reaction, then KMnO4 plus 5 electron, that is equal to MnSO4 in acidic medium. KMnO4 plus 5E, E means electron, that will give MnSO4. Then in KMnO4, oxidation number of Mn is plus 7 and in MnSO4, oxidation number is plus 2. Hence plus 7 minus plus 2 means difference is 5. Then that way also you can calculate 39 plus 55 plus 64 divided by 5. You will get the value 31.6. This also reaction you should remember. 5 electron KMnO4 reaction in acidic medium. 5 electron involved. Hence a molecular weight divided by 5. Divided by number of charge or number of electron. Anything. Then now divide by 5 molecular weight divided by 5. Hence answer will be 31.6. Okay. Then now correct option will be C. Actually it will come 158. 158 divided by 5. It will come 31.6. 31.6. Now next question, last question, today's last question, I am telling you. The equivalent weight of iron in Fe2O3 would be, again it is easy question. Option 1 18.2, option B 28, option C 56, option D 112. It is easy. The equivalent weight of iron in F2O3 would be F2O3. Then Fe balance is 3, oxygen balance is 2. You remember. Then now you have to calculate equivalent weight of iron in Fe2O3. First option is 18.6, second option 28, third option 56, fourth option 112. Okay, you can calculate it very easily. Just to think. Question number 94 I am talking about. Its correct option is 18.6, option A. How? Then you can understand very easily. Now you know that in Fe2O3 that 2 into 56, that is the 112 parts of Fe combines with 48 parts of oxygen, Fe2O3. Then Fe2, the 2 into 56, atomic weight of Fe is 56. If 56, 2 into 56 gram or part you can tell. 2 into 56, that is 112 parts of Fe combines with O3, means 16 into 3, 48. 48 parts of oxygen. Hence 8 parts of oxygen will, 48 parts of oxygen combines with 112 parts of Fe. Then 8 parts, hence 8 parts of oxygen will combine with 112. 112 divided by how much? Here 2 into 56 parts of Fe combines with 48 parts of oxygen. Hence 8 parts of oxygen will combine with how much? 112 divided by 48 into 8. It will be 18.6. 18.6. Okay. Hence correct option is first option A, 18.6. It is easy. 112 combines with 48 gram oxygen. 48 parts of oxygen combines with 112. Then for 1, then for 8 part. Answer will be 18.6. Then today I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Thank you.